Welcome to week 10 of the 100 Great Essays Challenge, which was last week. I'm a little bit behind. It's The Value of Science is the first one from Richard Feynman, which we already read in class. So all of you, if you're doing the 100 Great Essays Challenge or you're trying to catch up or you aren't doing it, you've already read it. So I'm not going to say a lot about it here. It was written in 2005. And we talked a little bit about his audience and how the rhetorical situation was related. The next one is Arriving at Perfection, which was written by Benjamin Franklin in the late 1770s, but it wasn't published until 1818. If you find the first line, it's kind of arrogant, but also very naive. Question number one, following the essay, invites you to make a connection between Franklin's list and what you do. Okay, it's kind of interesting to look at Benjamin Franklin's Arriving at Perfection and think about the ways we set goals for ourselves. And the formality of it is very interesting, which draws a contrast between now and then, because it would be kind of an interesting thing to do. One question you can ask yourself is, what overall is the tone of Franklin's piece? What attitude does he have toward the subject that he's writing about? And then number 3 on week 10, which was last week, was Uniforms, which was written in 2002 by Paul Fussell. And it's a very formal exploration of uniforms. There's a little bit of a tangent or a jaunt into gender. He talks a lot about military uniforms because he was in the military, and that served as his exigence. Being in the military, thinking about the uniforms, that gave him this reason to write this piece. The first question following the piece invites you to create your own piece. Take a little bit of time to write about uniforms and things you've seen in your lives and what they mean. What I love about Paul Fussell's piece is the way it takes something not innocuous, but prevalent, what we wear to certain places, and it explores what it means about us or what it means about the thing that we do. So that was week 10 last week, Value of Science, Arriving at Perfection, and Uniforms. And I'm going to make week 11 right away.